They say this helps with low stomach acid. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's Ashley. Just wanted to show you guys what our breakfast is going to be for our refeed day. Today we have some Greek yogurt with sliced almonds. We have some berries and mixed fruit. We have some oranges, and then we also have some scrambled eggs. So this looks delicious. We're gonna go ahead and get into our breakfast, and then I'll show you a little bit later what our lunch is gonna be. This heartburn, you guys, is horrible. Oh my gosh. It's not like I'm eating anything bad. I'm eating really good actually, but I think my heartburn is being caused by low stomach acid, which is a common thing that you can get when you do any type of fasting, especially just liquids, because, well, that's pretty much what fasting is, but even with the juice fasting, because your body is not really working to digest those solid food particles, so your stomach has an option to either continue the amount of production of stomach acid that it does regularly and actually literally eat your stomach, or it can slow down production of acid. So I think that's kind of what's happening. I think I had low stomach acid and now I'm putting food in, and so it's not really ready to digest the food yet. I think that's pretty much what's going on, but still, it's a killer. Oh, it makes me feel so sick. I feel better when I'm not eating, honestly. All right, guys, so I am back from the store and I'm about to make dinner. It's supposed to be a tortellini and veggie pesto type thing, but instead of the pasta, we're gonna go ahead and add in some chicken. So it's gonna be chicken and veggies pesto. It has mozzarella, it has all kinds of stuff. So I hope it's really good. It's a recipe that we found. It was in that binder that I showed you guys, we put together. And they're actually outside. They were just working on the car, doing the oil change, so I'm gonna go ahead and make dinner. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And there you have it. We have chicken pesto with veggies and little mozzarella pearls. We're gonna enjoy our dinner. We hope you guys had a fantastic weekend. We will see you guys tomorrow. I'm going back on the juice fast for another 12 days. Wish me luck. And Will's just going to continue his healthy eating. His numbers have been really good despite eating. So he's doing really awesome and I'm very proud of him. So anyway, we will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.